Good afternoon, traders. Let's take a quick look at today's market highlights from the Fed's policy signals to oil dynamics and precious metals. So starting with the US dollar. The June Fed minutes, although a little bit dated, are still worth watching closely as they reveal growing divergence among policymakers. The dot plot shows that while some officials expect no rate cuts in 2025, others anticipate up to 2 cuts, which is a split that has been echoed in recent comments. We'll be paying close attention to see if these minutes provide further clues that could increase support for cuts, especially before September. And Chairman Powell has pointed out that the inflation impact from the tariffs will likely be clearer by summer, suggesting the Fed would prefer to wait until after September before making any decision. And ultimately, unless the labor market weakens significantly, a rate cut as early as July still seems unlikely. And next, moving to WTI. Oil prices surprised many traders by rising after a weaker start, and there are 2 main reasons behind this move. First, OPEC seems to be shifting focus from purely stabilizing prices to aggressively defending market share. While their production targets suggest higher supply, the actual output often falls short because some members struggle to meet quotas. And this suggests that the fears of oversupply may be overstated. And second, optimism persists that trade agreements will be finalized without heavily impacting the global growth. And recently, the price action supports this view. And whether or not this optimism holds, the market is reflecting a more constructive sentiment for oil in the short term. And lastly, gold. Gold and silver prices both slipped on Tuesday as a quiet summer trading environment prompted traders to liquidate long positions. And bulls are waiting for new fundamental catalyst to drive the next rally. On Monday, President Trump's announcement of tariffs on Japan and South Korea, along with the threats to over a dozen other countries, initially sparked some safe haven buying. But on Tuesday, a stronger US dollar limited gold's ability to rebound, keeping the metal under pressure despite lingering geopolitical risk. And overall, the markets are waiting for clearer signals on policy and trade, while adjusting to new price trends and shifting sentiment. We will keep monitoring these developments closely. Thanks for tuning in.